So we need to find the derivative. So we're going to use implicit differentiation. Remember that the derivative of e to the u, so this is going to be u, so derivative of e to the u is e to the u, so everything stays the same, times the derivative of u. And the derivative of u is going to be 8 times the derivative of y. And since we're taking the derivative of y with respect to x, we're going to have plus dy dx. The derivative of 7y is going to be 7, but since we're taking the derivative of y with respect to x, we need to multiply it by dy dx. So now our next goal is to get all the x's on one side. So we're going to go ahead and distribute e to the 8x to both terms, e to the 8x plus y. Okay, so then we're going to subtract 7 dy dx from both sides and e to the 8x y times 8 from both sides. Okay. We're going to factor out a dy dx. And then we're going to divide by e to the 8x plus y minus 7. And that would be my derivative.